This video is about the assignment number 8, Common Core Mathematics. This really has a focus on the standards of mathematical practices, and this will have a group team focus. So here's the project. The project is this. You're going to go to the California Common Core State Standards Professional Learning modules. There you will become an expert in one of the professional learning modules. So the learning modules are located right here at this URL. We're going to click on it. This is the learning module where you will just simply make your way through each of these elements. And at the end, there is a certificate of completion. There is a tutorial video that will show you how to do this. For the group project, you will focus on one of these units. So for instance, Group 1 will be assigned Unit 1. Group 4 will be assigned Unit 4, etc. That is where you will become an expert on. That's the unit that you will present on. So once you've worked through the module, you will write a one-page summary of the module. Working with a team or a group, you're going to present the key components of the learning modules to the class at the assignment number 8 presentation center, and that goes to Google Slides. I'll show you that in a bit. These 4 elements must be included. These 4 elements. Presentation slides, whether in Google Prezi or of your choice. Then a narrated video of the presentation slides, kind of what I do. Multiple voice is encouraged but not required. I would suggest multiple videos is an option, such as video 1 could be person 1 or voice 1 for slides 1, 2, 3. Video 2, voice 2 for slides 4, 5, 6. Video, etc. Just add more links to the slides. So you could do multiple videos that are shorter, and that might help in terms of creating your overall presentation for starts and stops, etc. Next, check for understanding questions. You're going to list 3 to 5 questions that you would want your audience to respond to so that you know they learned the key ideas of the presentation. And then lastly, we have a resource center. A lot of times teachers get excited about what we're learning. Add 3 other resources to explore this topic in greater detail, such as maybe at UCube there was a really great activity there, or maybe in the Learning Channel there was another video to explore it in greater detail. Inside your presentation, be sure to include at least one video from the teaching channel or other video source which exemplifies the presented material from the module. So you're going to go outside the module and find a good video. And please focus only on the area relative to this topic. So if you had a long video, we want you just to specify the start time and end time of that area, such as from 3 minutes and 14 seconds to 6 minutes and 48 seconds. And then what you'll turn in the certificate of completion. And that's from that module at the very end, which is located right there. A PDF or a picture suffices. So let's go to the presentation center. So clicking on the presentation center takes us to basically a set of Google Slides. So here's the presentation center. Here's an example of linking of how we're going to do this project. But basically what you're going to do, you're assigned a unit, and then you're going to link slides, video, your check for understanding document, and other resources here. Unit 1, Group 1 will go on this particular slide. Unit 2, Group 2, presentation, that slide, and Unit 3, Group 3 on that particular slide. That pattern will continue throughout the presentations. So here's the example of how this is going to work. So let's go into presentation mode. So this is just an example of linking. So for instance, you're going to have a link to your presentation slides, a link to your presentation videos. You certainly could add more links to more videos here. A link to your check for understanding, so perhaps to a Google Doc with your questions, check for understanding, and then click links to other resources like Estimation 180. So who's in my group? Just click on the discussion group, and this will open up to your discussion group, and those 5 people that are on your team are in that group. You'll work together as a team to pull this off. Be good teammates, pull your own weight, and do a great job. So what do you turn in? You turn in your certificate of completion either in PDF or picture form, that's from the learning module, and the one-page summary into Canvas, and post all the expectations for your group into assignment number 8, Presentation Center.